All right, John, thank you. Right now, we're going to take you on an aerial tour of some of the hardest hit areas. And this, Jolene, is the Horseshoe Lake Power Plant in Harrah.
McIntyre Law Chopper 4 over that area just a short time ago, showing a lot of the damage there. Again, this is the Horseshoe Lake Power Plant near Harrah. Just one of many areas hit early this morning.
Sure is. And that's like heavy equipment that was damaged there by the tornadoes that came through late last night, early this morning, really. And this is the hard-hit residential area of Southeast 89th and Sooner. We've been talking to some people in all of this damage.
We know 5 people were transported to local hospitals with non-life-threatening injuries. Thankfully, no fatalities reported, but as you can see, a lot of damage as people are already beginning to work to clean up.
This is the Newcastle area where we have had some damage, specifically at a school. That, I believe, is what they call I believe that's the 5th grade center is what they call it. They've had significant damage there. Question is, what do the kiddos do Monday morning? And of course, we'll find out and pass that information on to you.
The roof just peeled back.
So just give you an idea of what it looks like from the air.
Daylight providing, really illuminating, what we couldn't see overnight. We are getting a bird's eye view now from McIntyre Law Chopper 4 overhead this morning.